Hello guys and welcome back into today's video. Now I have a lot to talk about. As you guys can see, I moved my settings to my older settings. So, I made a video around 8 months ago now. So if you actually check my oldest video, you guys can actually get these colors. I'm moving back to my old colors because it just looks beautiful and I really love these colors. It just looks way cleaner. So I'm gonna be doing these videos now, kind of reminding me of the olden days, about a year ago now. So I have a lot to talk about. For example, I want to talk about SPY, QQQ, my thoughts on it, and it looks very, very nice, very, very bullish. Banks went the way we wanted to go. We're about to hit price target on that. I have a very nice setup on Apple with a nice inverse head and shoulder. I want to talk about Neo, okay? I'm in Neo calls as I alerted, especially Tesla. I want to talk about Tesla because I was in Tesla, but I cut it off for like a 30% loss. It was up 30%, but I will be looking to play again since it is getting very, very tight. So I have a lot of setup to show you guys, especially coin with a very, very nice gap fill. And then I have a shares play on gold. So, if you guys have been watching me for the past weeks, you guys know about the gold setup. On the monthly time frame, we're forming a massive, massive cup and handle. It's ridiculous. So I'm taking a look at a shares play. So the risk to reward is going to be very, very, very nice. We're going to be only be risking like 5%, but also going to be making very, very low. So if we actually take a look at gold, it is setting up for a major level of breakout. Okay, so I did make a whole video on this, 2 videos, but I will be going in this video also. So let's go on to the back daily time frame and let's start off with SPY. Now, first of all, my colors look beautiful. They look amazing. If you guys do want these settings, make sure to go to my oldest video. That was literally my second video that I've posted on YouTube. So taking a look at SPY, I did chart kind of like the Elliott waves. I could chart it all the way back actually, but as you guys can see, I have my Elliott wave charted over here. As you guys can see, we were just consolidating, just trading sideways for the past 4 days. As you guys know, consolidation is great because we're setting up for a move to the upside. But the problem with consolidations is that you can't scalp or you can't swing. So that was the problem that I had this week. I mean, I only took a trade on Tesla, which I lost, but I took a swing on Neo, which I want to talk about. And I want to play Tesla again. So I definitely do have a lot of nice setups. Taking a look at SPY, okay? 445.95 is going to be our major level of support. So that is just one thing to keep in mind. We're holding it very, very nicely. We just need to hold that level. Please write that down. Our breakout level is 453.46. As you guys can see, we have a nice gap to fill. Now, my price target, okay, for SPY is 472. As you guys can see, I have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Elliott waves to the upside. As you guys can see, past we have a huge accumulation phase over here. Now, as you guys can see, we were trading sideways. People are accumulating shares. We're consolidating, breakout, boom. Resting, another great time to buy in shares if you have missed this, buy zone over here. And we're setting up for a wave up 3 breakout. Taking a look at the RSI, most people don't do this, but we have a very nice inverse head and shoulder on the RSI, something to keep in mind. But overall, mostly just bullish. But again, keep in mind of that level of support down below, because if we do break that level of support, this whole play gets invalidated. Now, let's take a look at something over here. We have this downtrend trend line coming in over here. I'll post the charts later on Twitter, so make sure to follow me on Twitter. But as you guys can see, we also have a very nice downtrend breakout coming in over here. UVXY, really just same thing. It looks very nice again. It's kind of bear flagging now. QQQ, as you guys know, I'm in triple QQQ shares. Same thing as SPY, price target around 388. Now, the thing about QQQ is, because I am in triple QQQ shares, okay, I've entered in like around over here, as you guys saw, alerted on Discord, Twitter. But as you guys can see, this is going to be a major level of resistance for QQQ. So right when we hit this resistance, I will be selling off my triple QQQ shares because that is going to be a major level of resistance. Now, Tesla, Okay, Tesla, oh my god, it just looks amazing. Okay, the problem with me was, theta, I wasn't able to swing. And the reason I usually alert cheaper plays is so that people can alert. So people can actually enter in. So I'm looking to grab weeklies tomorrow, because the reason is it is getting actually very, very tight. Okay. This chart just looks incredible. This ascending triangle is just incredible. If we actually take a look, so what I like to do is you guys can draw with just a trend line, but what you can actually do is you can actually make it with kind of like a ray. So ray is a more accurate type of way to really make. So right over here, we had a chop zones. As you guys can see, Tesla ascending triangle. We have a wick to 987 downtrend breakout. Tesla looks amazing now. Not only Tesla, Neo. Now the problem is, okay, if you're playing options, grab more time. The problem with me was I was grabbing weeklies, especially on Tesla, premiums die very, very fast. I bought debit spreads on Neo. So Neo is a very, very cheap stock. You can also play shares, but I'm playing it with also debit spreads. So as you guys can see, Neo looks incredible. Both the Neo and Tesla look incredible. I have played, I've alerted on most of the Discords as well as Twitter. So I'm swinging Neo symmetrical triangle because we have this very nice symmetrical triangle and it closed at the level of resistance. Our stop loss is going to be very, very tight. Not gonna lie, Tesla and Neo, I think we're gonna have an insanely great run. I just hope the market follows it. Okay, the technical analysis is on point. Okay, our trade plan is solid. We just need to manage our risk, and the stop loss is going to be the close below the level of support for Neo. So Neo looks incredible. Now Coinbase, okay? This was on the weekly watch list. All of those stocks were on the weekly watch lists. But again, coin gapped up. It had a very, very nice run up. It is using that gap level as a resistance, and it is sitting right around that level of gap. So this is setting up basically to buy calls at this level. Now, this is going to be a higher risk play, in my opinion, because we have already gapped up. Crypto would have to run, and if the whole market is running, this could be a great, great play. Again, most of the plays I usually don't even play because I want to give you guys ideas, and then later I narrow down the plays and I enter in the plays I want to enter in, and you guys can enter the plays that you guys want to enter in. These are all ideas, not financial advice. Now, gold. Okay, I've been talking about gold for a couple of weeks now, so I've made two videos on gold, so I'm not going to go in depth really. Just want to take a look at the technical analysis perspective. Taking a look at the monthly. It's on, mainly the monthly setup. If February, so by the end of the February, if we do break this level of resistance and we close above this level, that is going to be a major, major level of play. Now, I'm straight up just looking to buy shares. Okay, options are freaky. And honestly, the best strategy is just not to play options, unless if you're probably scalping. But taking a look at gold, man, this setup is looking very, very nice for a shares play. Now, I'm not sure if they have like a leveraged one. Like, I usually love to play triple QQQ. That's why I alerted on Discord. But, if we had some sort of leverage on shares for gold, that would be very, very nice. So overall, very simple video. My banks followed exactly. We've been talking about this for weeks now. It's incredible. XLF, Bank of America, XLF going for that gap fill. So this is setting up for another play for tomorrow if we fill this gap. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm already in the Neo. I'm mostly just riding triple QQQ shares. Okay. I could just play shares all day. These are leveraged shares, so I'm making 60%. I'm making 70%. 60% if we go to all-time highs. So I'm really just chilling. And again, this is a very, very bigger position compared to these options play because again, we bought triple QQQ shares at the bottom. Right when we broke down trend. Okay, at this candle. Okay, this candle. Okay, this candle was where we bought, so we already had a very nice, incredible run up. Overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I gotta say, I missed these old colors. I'm loving my trading view. Now, whenever I'm taking a look at my trading view, it just looks way sharper, way nicer, more unique. And hope you guys, you guys can actually get these colors. If you go on to my YouTube and my oldest videos, so sort by the oldest, and you guys can get my trading view setup and settings. Overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, if you guys, just make sure to leave a like, subscribe with the notifications on. If you guys do want some cool emojis to react in the chat, make sure to join that. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys tomorrow at market open. And bye bye.